You see them everywhere, at restaurants, parking meters, and even on your utility bills. One quick scan and you're done. But what if that simple black and white square was a trap designed to empty your bank account in seconds? In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how a friendly QR code can steal your identity, and how scammers are placing fake stickers over real ones right under your nose. Stay tuned, because the last tip could save you from a massive financial loss. QR codes, or quick response codes, have made our lives incredibly easy. We use them to pay for coffee, check digital menus, or log into websites. But because they are so convenient, we often scan them without thinking. This is exactly what cybercriminals are counting on. They've invented a new type of attack called Quishing, a mix of QR codes and phishing. So, how does it work? Imagine you are at a public parking lot. You see a QR code on the meter that says "Scan to pay." It looks official, but it's actually a sticker placed over the original code by a scammer. When you scan it, your phone takes you to a website that looks exactly like the city's official payment portal. You enter your credit card details, and just like that, the scammer has your information. They don't just take the parking fee, they can now go on a shopping spree with your card. Another common trick is the unexpected package scam. You might receive an email or a message saying a delivery failed and you need to scan a QR code to reschedule. Or worse, a physical letter arrives with a QR code. These codes often lead to fake login pages for banks or email providers. Once you enter your username and password, the hackers take over your account, change your recovery settings, and lock you out forever. The danger is that your eyes cannot read a QR code. Unlike a web link where you can spot a typo like Google.com, a QR code looks the same whether it's safe or malicious. Some advanced scams even use QR codes to trigger an automatic download of malware or spyware onto your phone. This software can sit silently in the background, recording your keystrokes, stealing your photos, or even accessing your microphone and camera. So, how do you stay safe? First, always inspect the physical code. If it looks like a sticker placed over a printed sign, do not scan it. Second, use your phone's native camera app rather than a third-party scanner. Most modern smartphones will show you a preview of the website link before you click it. Always check that the URL starts with HTTPS and that the domain name is spelled correctly. Third, never enter sensitive information like passwords or bank details on a site you reached via a QR code. If a business asks for payment through a code, it's safer to go to their official website manually or use their verified app. Finally, if you ever scan a code and your phone asks for permission to download a file or install an app, hit cancel immediately. Technology is meant to help us, but a little bit of caution goes a long way. Don't let a quick scan turn into a long nightmare. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with your family and friends, especially those who might not be tech savvy. Don't forget to comment below if you've ever encountered a suspicious QR code. Hit that follow button for more tips on staying safe in the digital world. Thanks for watching!